A national health crisis that's claimed hundreds of thousands of American lives is showing major signs of turning a corner. Thanks for joining us tonight at 10. I'm Rolly Hoyt. Faith has the night off. In what health officials are calling an historic breakthrough, U.S. drug overdose deaths plummeted by 30,000 last year, the largest one-year decline ever recorded. The CDC says that's a 27% drop from the previous year. Prior to that, the biggest drop came back in 2018 at just 4%. New tonight at 10, THV11's Catherine Rowley shows us the local efforts happening here in Arkansas to help save a generation. Catherine?
Thanks, Rolly. The two recovery centers I spoke to today agree, saying that those numbers reflect what we're seeing here in Arkansas. When it comes to what's fueling this drop, they tell me education is at the top of the list.
When you start letting people educate individuals, now people are starting to be more cognizant of what kind of medicines they're taking, what kind of pills they're taking.
Monty Payne is a peer support supervisor at Wolf Street Foundation. While education is key, he says another factor is fear of another deadly drug out there.
Until the fentanyl hit, and now individuals are coming into treatment centers, coming into detox centers.
While Payne's focus is recovery, Kirk Lane, the director of Arkansas Opioid Recovery Partnership, focuses on both prevention and recovery.
The biggest hurdle that we have is getting over stigma.
Once over the stigma, one can get the help that our state offers. Next, Director Lane points to accountability, pointing back to the prevalence of fentanyl-laced drugs.
And that drugs today in our system, there's no, the likelihood of poisoning being in them, there's no safe use to any illegal substance. And we have to believe in that mindset.
Even after someone ODs, education on how those around them can help is paramount. That's why the Wolf Street Foundation also trains people on how to use Narcan, which can reverse an opioid overdose and saving someone's life. On top of education and prevention, Monty Payne says having a community around you who knows what you are going through can not only help you get clean, but stay clean.
Another thing that we've learned is people that are actively using feel like they're a part. And recovery is about being a part of something, being together, being whole.
The Wolf Street Foundation has seen a lot of success with their peer support supervisors. These are people that have gone through addiction themselves. They then walk you through recovery with someone else who has an overdose to navigate the different programs and resources our state has to offer.